morning, everyone. My name's Crystal, and this morning I'm here to unbox my brand new Brümate Hopsulator Trio 2.0. So here we go. First off, it comes in its own box. This is what Brümate shipped it in. I love their packaging. I've gotten, I don't know how many in the last few weeks. So to start, I'm just gonna kind of open it for you here. Super easy to open and everything. And then, so when you open the packaging, this is what you'll see. I have my packing list, and it shows that it's got my Hopsulator Trio Glitter Charcoal, which is the one that I ordered in the 10x4x4 box. Here is the awesome container that Brümate's been packaging their new products in. And so we'll go ahead and open this up. And then it's just the box on the inside here. So, like I said, I ordered the Hopsulator Trio Glitter Charcoal color. So on the front of this, it actually shows you the name and all of that good stuff. And then on the back here, it shows you everything that it fits. So I'll kind of go over the few things that I've got here sitting next to me this morning on what I'm planning on using it for and a couple different things that you can use it for. So I'm going to open the box. And the first thing that is in here is actually the lid. So one of the best parts about the Trio is you have multiple uses, obviously, at the back of it, but you can also use it kind of more as an insulated glass. So instead of putting on the ring, which I'll show you here in a few minutes, you can actually just use this. It's got the awesome locking technology on the front, on the top here, sorry. And then, so my next part here is, ta-da, Hopsulator Trio. It's empty, so I'll go ahead and set that aside. It comes bubble wrapped, and then Brümate actually has their own wrapping, as you can see, and it's pretty snazzy, and I really actually do appreciate that they do this, double wrapping it, because that, you know, you don't want it to chip, dent, break, anything like that. So this is the charcoal glitter. Absolutely gorgeous. I actually bought it so my husband can use it if he'd like to too, just in case of an emergency, is what he said over his dead body. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the locking ring. You are able to take it off, screw it on just like the other products, which is fantastic. And then kind of in there. And at the bottom here is the actual ice pack. So what you're able to do with this is you're able to take it out. You can hear it. It's full of water. It's locked in here. The cork is completely sealed, and it's actually got some divots in here. So you're able to drop it in the bottom of your Brümate. And I'm going to put my locking lid back on and show you what I intend to do. You can actually take a pop can or anything, kind of work it down in there, and then it's actually locked in the bottom. So the can will actually sit inside of that ice pack, and it'll keep it cold. It'll continue to insulate the inside of your Trio and continuously keep that cold as well. So that's kind of super nice to have, and it won't fit the 16-ounce ones, but it will fit 12-ounce cans. So I like to take my ring off and pull my can down through, just so I'm not constantly pulling and pushing through the ring, just so I don't wear it out as fast. Okay, so next thing is I'm going to show you, since I have the ring off, I'm going to show you how this lid works. So you're able to use it as a pint. So you're able to take, you know, whatever beverage you would like and put it in here. Then the inside here, I don't know if you can see, it has an actual locking ring. So this lid fits just right in here like this, and you push it down and it's locked in there. Obviously, I just pushed on this, but there's not going to be anything that comes out of it, nothing. So the next thing I want to show you is a different size can without the thing, without the ice pack in the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my locking ring back on. And this is primarily why I bought this, is for my morning caffeine fix. And honestly, I have the slim and I have the bottle, and I have been waiting for Mermaid Trio to come out, which I believe is in the works. And the moment that hits the website, I will definitely be purchasing another one. for my personal reasons of this, but this fits right in there, locked, not moving, completely sealed and everything, and didn't make a mess. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video. This again is the Brümate Hopsulator Trio and charcoal glitter, and I hope that anybody who sees this and knows how much Brümate products actually control my life, because I have pretty much almost everything that they make. Absolutely love their products. They stand true to their word, and I can't wait to see what they come out with in the future. Have a good weekend.